Okay, now the last library that we need to focus on is Python, WRF-Python module. So for this one also I will load the Ubuntu terminal. WS, and then I will wait for this one. Okay, for this one we need to create an environment. Create dash in WRF underscore Python underscore env. For this one also I will use channel on forge, and then from there I need library WRF dash Python netcdf for matplotlib cartopy and xarray. So these libraries I needed. So here the main library that I need is main library we have to focus on is WRF Python. So this is the main library that we have to focus on. So rest of the modules are supporting modules. So I can hit enter for this one. Now it will cross check whether these libraries are there or not. The WRF Python module is also developed by UCAR, specifically focusing on pre-processing, like whatever the simulation or something which you have conducted in WRF ARW module, you can display, or you can fine tune and graphically show that output using this WRF Python module. So you can use it standalone, you have to use some other libraries as well. That's why along with WRF Python we install netcdf, matplotlib, cartopy, Jupyter and other libraries. These libraries we have discussed earlier during our Python training. So if you guys are interested in, you can go over there into our YouTube channel and check over there. So for more information, if I go over there and search for WRF Python, here you will see WRF Python, the documentation. From here they mention a collection of diagnostic and interpolation routines used for output the weather research and forecasting module, which is WRF ARW module. This package provides over 30 diagnostic calculations, several interpolation routines, and some other provided by NCL WRF package. So here you have PyNGL is the replacement for NCL. You can read this documentation to get yourself familiarized with this WRF Python module. So right now you can see all the libraries, the necessary libraries start downloaded from the system. So I have to wait till this installation is finished. Okay, now you can see the installation is finished. The environment activation is also finished. So to activate this environment, we can type conda activate WRF underscore Python underscore env and hit enter. So now the environment is activated. So I will share you another script alongside with this one. You can download the script and search over there. So I will type Python WRF5. So when I run this one, I should see this. That means you see WRF version 1.4.1 number is working, and then Cartopy Map initialized successfully, and even test map saved as test map png. So if I type ls, I could have see the test map png file. So if I type test map png and hit enter, I can see the test map was created successfully. So now we have installed all the necessary libraries that we need to use. Like these are like people like post processing tools. For this one, to run the model, we have to use WRF model. So I will give you the instruction how you can install WRF on WRF on WSL2. But this one you need like lot of space. At least you need to have like 52 GB of space available in your system. Now for post processing tools, all the post processing tools were installed. OpenGrads, the grads, and then NCL, and lastly Python WRF Python module.